Hello and welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. I'm here with a tutorial on how to make Gheymeh Bademjan stew. It's really delicious and well cooked. Stay with me so we can make it together. To begin this culinary journey, you will want to pour a generous amount of your preferred cooking oil into a large heavy-bottom pot or Dutch oven, ensuring it is suitable for stewing. Next, carefully add 2 medium-sized onions that have been meticulously and finely diced into small uniform pieces. Gently sauté these diced onions over medium heat, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft, beautifully translucent, and release their sweet aroma. Once the onions have reached this perfect stage, you can then proceed to add your chosen stew meat, preparing it for the next delicious phase of cooking. I used 500 grams of meat and sauté it together with the onions until the color changes. Just be careful not to over-sauté the meat because it will become tough. As shown in the video, that's enough. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of black pepper and sauté the spices for 2 minutes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and sauté it well until the raw taste is gone and it releases its color and becomes vibrant. Then add 5 handfuls of soaked lupini beans, which have been soaked for at least 12 hours, to the pot. Sauté the lupini beans together with the meat and onions for 2 minutes so they keep their shape and don't get mushy in the stew. Now add enough boiling water to just cover the surface of the meat. After the water in the pot comes to a boil, put the lid on, reduce the heat, and let it cook for 3 to 4 hours. Take 3 dried limes, pierce them with a fork, and place them in some boiling water. Let them sit for 30 minutes to remove their bitterness. Cover the container as well so that the limes are fully submerged in the boiling water. Next, carefully bring a medium-sized bowl of fresh water and then add precisely 2 full tablespoons of common salt to it. Wash the eggplants for this stew thoroughly and peel them completely. As shown in the video, make a slit down the middle of each eggplant, but be careful not to cut too deep so it doesn't go all the way through. This slit is so that the flavors can penetrate the eggplant well. Then, as shown in the video, place the eggplants in the salt water to remove any possible bitterness. This method also helps the eggplants absorb less oil when frying. Let them sit like this for 30 minutes. Place a plate on top of the bowl so that the eggplants are fully submerged in the salt water. After the specified time, use a clean kitchen towel or paper towel to take out the eggplants and dry them thoroughly to remove any excess water. Next, pour some oil into a suitable pan and fry both sides of the eggplants thoroughly. Then remove them from the pan and set them aside. Then, in the same pan, lightly fry both sides of 4 to 5 sliced tomatoes. Be careful not to over-fry them so they don't get mushy. Remove them from the pan as well and set them aside. After the meat has cooked for 2 hours, add the dried limes and close the lid of the pot again. Let it cook for another 1 to 1.5 hours until it is fully done. In the last 15 minutes of cooking, add salt to taste. I used half a teaspoon of salt. I also added 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron. Now arrange the fried eggplants and tomatoes in the pot, close the lid, and let it sit for another 15 minutes. After it's fully cooked, this is the result. It's this colorful, rich, and well cooked, and it goes perfectly with some saffron rice. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Bon appétit! Thank you for staying with me until the end. I'd be happy if you follow Mahtab's cooking channel and stay with me.